So hey guys, welcome back. This is Diksha, and in this fresh episode of Python programming language, let's see what are list manipulations and how many types of list manipulations are there, and how do they function or how do they perform, and what are the different types of list manipulations are there within the list collection. In this video, let's discuss about them. So now let's quickly get into the video. So here on the screen, you can clearly see that it's list manipulations. So first one that we are talking about l.append, which means list.append. So what does this append do? If you have a list of items, within the list, if you're having few numbers called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you want to add some other number in the list, we need to use term called append. So it is used to add an extra element within the list. So here I have given a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I want to print this list and see this one. So for I in range 1 comma 2, so I given my range as 1 comma 2, so that I want to add just one more item to that list. It depends on you, like how many items you want to add to that list. I want to add only one, so I given my range from 1 comma 2, so the system takes till only 1. If you give your range to 4, the system take till 3. If you give till 10, it takes till 9. That's it. So item is equals to input, then enter an item, list dot append item. So I'm printing the list. So here I took a list, then I am printing this list. I want to add one item, so I given a range. Now I'm entering an item, so I have written an input statement, enter an item. Now I'm taking that same list. If you are writing an item, it is in the item. So this item you need to append to the previous list. So list dot append item. Now print the list. Let me copy this one and I'll run it in the compiler and I'll show you. Control V. So list, printing the list, given range, given item, then append to add extra item to the previous list. Now print the list, run. So the list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The item will be something like 29. Enter. So in the list, here you can see 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 29 is added to my list. So if you want to add some extra item or external item to the same list, use l.append method, and it returns as item. So here you can see item. That's it. Moving up to the second one, it's l.pop. Pop, it returns index is equals to -1, which means last item in the list gets terminated. If you have a list like 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, if you want to terminate the last one, if you want to delete the last item in the list, you can use l.pop. So it's exactly same. Take a list 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 90, print the list, then item is equals to lst.pop. Now print deleted item is lst. The list is. Just copy this one. I'll run and I'll show you. Just backspace, Control V, then run the program. Yeah, here you can see the list is 10, 20, 40, 60, 90. The deleted items is 10, 20, 40, 60. So what is deleted? 90 is deleted in the list. That's it. The last item has been terminated and the last item has been deleted because its index follows as -1. That's it. Now third one, it's like l.remove item. Now let's run the program and let's see how does this function. I want to copy this one. This one and l.remove. Enter. Run the program. So here you can see that we have given a list of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 in a list. We are printing that list. Then we are using the manipulation called list.remove, lst.remove. I am removing 50 here from the list. So print after removing lst. You can see here the list before is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. but after removing it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70. So L dot remove is used to remove any item within the list. It's easy. And next one, it's L dot clear. Let's also copy this one and see how does this perform. Control V. I had taken a list of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I'm printing that list. Then I use this manipulation lst dot clear. After clearing, again write a print statement after clear comma lst. Now just run the program. So here you can see an empty list. So clear is used to terminate all items, or use it to delete all items within the list. To delete all items in the list, you can use clear dot clear, L dot clear. That's it. Writing code is very much easy, but understanding the concept and understanding the terms and understanding the functions, how do they perform, is very much important in Python. So make sure that your logic thinking, you need to improve your logic thinking according to topics you are learning advancedly day by day. So it's important to keep a check on heavy topics and important topics. And writing code is a very simple thing, but understanding the rough work, doing rough work with pen and paper is very much important for Python. So the next one is L dot count item, which returns in integer form. So let me copy this one and I'll show you how does this perform. So it's in a list I had considered few items 10 to 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, then 60 and 60, then 70. I want to print this list, then number is equals to list dot count. So the count itself, the word tells like how many same number of items are repeating in the list. So it tells like how many number of same number, the repetition of one number is there within the list. So print found for number, then run the function. So I want to check for 60. So in the list you can find 60 twice. So here in the print function I had written like found for how many times. So it returned me as 2 times. So count is a manipulation which used to tell how many the same number of items are repeated in the same list. That's it. Then the last one is reverse. So reverse, you can in the name itself you can see like reverse is like if you return a set, like anything like set, tuple or list, anything. Here we are talking about list. So if you are writing list like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, reverse, what does this reverse do? It prints in 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 in the reverse order. Let's quickly save and run this program. Let me clear this one and control V. So list is equals to 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 60, 70. Print the list is lst dot reverse. I'm reversing the list. Print after reversing lst, the stored one here. Then just run the program. So here you can see the list before is like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 60, 70. Then after reversing it's like 70, 60, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. So these are the list manipulations, the important list manipulations we have discussed in this video. I'll also show you the other few list manipulations. Yeah. Python lists and list manipulations explained. So here you can go, or you can find it in Geeks for Geeks. There are so many L dot index, list dot index. There are few other important things also. Let's discuss in the further or upcoming videos. And not only list, in the upcoming videos, let's discuss about tuple manipulation, set manipulations, and all the other manipulations. But make sure that you practice every single day. And if you like this video and if you enjoyed this video, just subscribe, like,